Freecash itself doesn't normally control the sound produced by a game, so when audio stops during a Freecash offer, the first step is to identify whether the problem is inside the game, on the device, or with your audio output. By the end, you'll know how to isolate the sound problem, check the game and device settings, protect an active Freecash offer, and decide when the issue needs support. Start by playing another app that normally produces sound. If the other app has audio, your device speakers are working, and the problem is likely connected to the Freecash game or its settings. If there is no sound anywhere, check your device's media volume, and make sure the phone isn't muted or connected to an unexpected Bluetooth device. Disconnect Bluetooth temporarily, and test the device speaker again. Next, open the game connected to your Freecash offer. Check its own audio settings and make sure music, sound effects, and other audio controls haven't been disabled. If the game has a mute button on its main screen, check that as well. Some games store their audio settings separately from the phone's volume controls. If you're using headphones or Bluetooth earbuds, test the game through the device speaker. This tells you whether the problem is with the game or the external audio connection. Also, close other applications that could be playing audio. Then completely close the Freecash game and reopen it. Test the sound before making any changes to the offer installation. If the game has an available update, check whether the developer has released a fix for audio problems. If the sound stopped immediately after an update, keep the original installation intact while you troubleshoot. Avoid uninstalling and reinstalling a game that you're completing for a Freecash offer unless you know that doing so won't affect the offer's tracking. Changing the original installation can create additional tracking problems. If the game works normally, but the sound disappears only when you interact with a Freecash page or another device feature, record the behavior. A short screen recording can show exactly when the audio stops. If you've completed the required offer activity but the sound problem is preventing further progress, contact Freecash support and explain the exact game, device, and audio behavior. Include screenshots or a recording when possible. The key checks are simple. Test another app. Verify device audio. Check the game's own sound controls. Test without Bluetooth. And avoid changing an active offer installation unnecessarily. Your next step is to open another app and confirm whether sound works there before changing anything inside your Freecash game. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, gameplay troubleshooting, and offer guides.